Have you ever had a door slammed shut in your face, only to later realize it was the best thing that could have happened? Today, we're diving into the profound art of flipping rejection on its head, inspired by the Stoic wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. Imagine a world where every rejection doesn't dampen your spirits, but pushes you forward instead. Often seen as painful, rejection can actually pave the way to greatness. This isn't about outwitting destiny. It's about understanding that sometimes the universe's refusal is an invitation to something better. Do you ever feel ignored, overlooked, or undervalued? It's time to rewrite that story. In this conversation, we'll explore 13 transformative lessons designed to help you harness the power of rejection. These aren't just abstract ideas, but practical strategies grounded in real experiences. Before we dive into these lessons, let's make sure this wisdom reaches as many people as possible. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps spread these valuable insights. Now, let's embark on this transformative journey, ready to turn rejections into our greatest triumphs. Number 1. Dismiss their indifference. When life turns its back on you, don't shrink away. Stand tall. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't an act of spite, but a powerful affirmation of your self-worth. If someone doesn't see your value, that's their loss. Focus on your own goals and happiness. Dive into activities that enrich your life. Reading, sports, learning new skills, or spending time with those who truly appreciate you. Let rejection fuel your personal growth, building a fortress of self-respect that deflects indifference. Number 2. Keep emotions in check. Rejection can sting, tempting you to react impulsively. However, Stoicism offers a different perspective. Instead of giving in to frustration or sadness, maintain your composure. Brush off rejection without seeking validation or expressing resentment. Focus on your actions and responses, not on others' behaviors. Stay polite and kind, letting your responses be genuine and free from expectations. This shows emotional mastery, proving that your self-worth isn't dependent on others' approval, but on how you handle rejection. Number 3. Clear them from your thoughts. Mastering detachment is crucial when dealing with rejection. Acknowledge its impact without letting it dominate your thoughts. See rejection as a detour, guiding you toward new opportunities. Turn the experience into transformative energy. Engage in activities that nourish your spirit and broaden your horizons, surrounding yourself with positive individuals who uplift and inspire you. Rejection doesn't define your worth. It's a chance to rediscover and reinvent yourself. Number 4. Showcase your worth. View rejection as a chance to demonstrate your resilience. Redirect your energy towards meaningful projects and initiatives. Remember, rejection is not a reflection of your worth, but a redirection towards opportunities that align better with your talents and passions. Embrace setbacks as setups for comebacks, showing empathy and understanding. Rejection isn't the end of your story. It's a crucial chapter in your journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. Number 5. Embrace silence. In the face of rejection, silence can be a powerful tool. Instead of reaching out or trying to reconcile, embrace the power of silence. Use this time as a strategic reset, reaffirming your self-worth and prioritizing your mental peace. Your silence isn't passive. It's an active declaration of self-respect and self-assurance. This approach may not change others' behavior, but it will transform you, strengthening your resolve for future challenges. Number 6. Prove your potential. Turn rejection into a catalyst for growth. Use it to reaffirm your potential. Transform no into motivation to hone your skills and capabilities. Let your actions quietly showcase your competence and determination. Your journey of self-improvement isn't about fighting others' perceptions, but about proving your unwavering commitment to excellence. By redefining your self-image and realizing your true capabilities, you emerge from rejection stronger and more confident. Number 7. Seek joy. Amidst rejection, finding joy is a powerful act of resilience. Seek out experiences that bring you happiness and fulfillment. Defy the idea that rejection should dampen your spirits by actively pursuing moments of joy and connection. Engage in activities that ignite your passion and foster meaningful relationships. Each new experience reinforces your resilience and adaptability, showing that rejection is just a temporary setback on the path to greater fulfillment. Number 8. Elevate your status. Use rejection as an opportunity for personal growth and community engagement. Focus on self-improvement and building meaningful connections. Engage in physical fitness and community activities to enhance your well-being and contribute to the greater good. Cultivate relationships based on mutual respect and shared values, inspiring others to do the same. Your journey towards self-discovery isn't about climbing a social ladder, but about achieving personal excellence. Number 9. Act as if they don't exist. When faced with indifference, quiet strength is often the best response. Redirect your focus to those who value your presence. Maintain professionalism and civility in unavoidable interactions, but avoid investing emotional energy in one-sided relationships. Prioritize your well-being and seek meaningful connections, signaling that your time and attention are valuable. This approach isn't about weakness, but about self-respect and discernment. Number 10. Employ the silent treatment. Silence in the face of indifference is a sign of dignity and self-respect. Instead of seeking validation or retaliating, preserve your inner peace through introspection and emotional mastery. Use moments of silence for self-reflection and personal growth. Silence isn't weakness, but a demonstration of inner strength and composure. By choosing not to respond, you assert your autonomy and maintain emotional balance. Number 11. Don't seek attention. Anchor yourself in your self-worth, independent of others' perceptions. Find fulfillment through personal growth and self-discovery. Engage in activities that resonate with your passions and values, prioritizing authenticity over fleeting attention. True confidence comes from within, free from the need for external validation. Focus on personal development and well-being, redefining success on your own terms. Number 12. Be kind but guarded. Choose kindness as your guiding principle while maintaining emotional boundaries. Treat others with respect and compassion, even in the face of disregard, but protect your inner peace and well-being. Emotional distance is a means of self-preservation and integrity. Extend kindness without expectation, demonstrating strength of character and self-assurance. This balance of empathy and self-preservation is rooted in Stoic principles. Number 13. Keep struggles private. Resist the urge to broadcast your struggles or seek validation through external acknowledgement. Maintain composure and dignity in adversity, embodying Stoic resilience. Acknowledge your emotions without allowing them to control your behavior or undermine your confidence. Handle rejection with grace and poise, affirming your inner strength and resilience. This approach reflects the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience and unwavering commitment to personal growth. In conclusion, leveraging rejection is a journey of self-discovery and resilience, guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. By embracing rejection as a catalyst for growth, you transform setbacks into opportunities and emerge stronger, wiser, and more self-assured. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reflections on timeless philosophy.